Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. I look really bright. Okay, better. So today I wanted to do a little glow up video because it's Sunday and Sunday is my day to clean my apartment, fix my stuff, for lack of a better term. I was kind of like get myself ready to go into the next week. So I tanned last night, even though you can't even tell because I look so dark right now. But here it is. So I used Loving Tan. This is my favorite tan right now. 2 Hour Express in dark. Literally when I tan, I turn into a new woman. It feels so good. I feel healthy. I feel bright. I feel just good. So took a shower, shaved. Side note, this is my favorite razor right now. I think this is Flamingo. And it's like this cute little orange. And then I put lotion on. My favorite lotion still is the Necessaire body lotion. It's my favorite lotion ever. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. And now we're gonna do a little lash lift. So I've done this like 3 times by now. The first time it like didn't do anything. Then the second time it came out pretty good. The third time I like tweaked it and it came out really good. So we're gonna see how it comes out this time. Honestly, it's a gamble. But I have also done my own eyelash extensions at home. I love them. I love eyelash extensions, but ruined my eyelashes a little bit because I pulled them out prematurely. So I was giving my eyelashes a break. They have grown tremendously. This is the before. If you like go to the side, you can see that I have eyelashes. And they're not like super short, but they're definitely straight. I just know that if I tint and lift them, they're gonna be like stunning. So that's what I'm doing. I got this on Amazon. It's the, I don't know, they have a bunch of them, but this one had like thousands and thousands of reviews, so I picked that one. And then I use this 1000 hour tint. So this is for lash and brows. My brows are pretty dark. I don't need to do my brows, but this for your eyelashes, like that's the game changer. You can lift them all you want, but tinting them, it makes you look like you have mascara on all the time, and it's amazing. So it looks like this. And you need these little lift pads. So I'm gonna get everything in order and then I'm gonna show you. Got my little mirror here. This is from Urban Outfitters. So step 1, the first thing that I have learned from doing this a couple times is to curl your lashes before. The hardest part is getting it to like stick on the pad and stay up. So if you curl your lashes first, it'll be much easier. And then I got this little piece of tinfoil to put the like dye tint in. So you get these little pads and you find the one that fits your eye. I guess they're different shapes. Oh, already going well. And although I've done this before, it is still kind of like a hot mess during, and then it just kind of like comes all together at the end. This isn't going to be like a professional tutorial. I'm very much amateur status. To use cleanser. It comes with like a little cleanser bottle. This is the number 4 one. I'm just going to put it on a little pad. I don't have any like makeup on or anything, so I don't really need to do this, but I'm just going to follow the rules, you know? And now we just gotta get into it. All right, so you take the little pad and their glue. Honestly, this glue sucks. If you have like better, safe glue, I would recommend using it, low-key. I don't know if that's like very safe. Do it at your own risk. But really, this glue sucks, and the glue part is basically the whole part. And you stick it down. I'm gonna get some YouTube video or something. I'm gonna be here for a while. If you're doing this on someone else, it is much easier. Like, much easier. I'm gonna get a video up because it's gonna be a while. I'm watching Remy Ashton, her vlogs, her new house. It's not little. It's not little. It's very big. Her new house is like my favorite thing. Okay, now that the pad is down, I look insane. You put the glue on top and then you force the eyelashes up using their little tool. And this takes a while and you need concentration. So I'll be back. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but my eyelashes are now pressed down. You gotta take some time with it. I did like glue layer, push it up, glue layer, push it up. And now you do the perm liquid. So you put this on top, let it sit. Now the perm liquid, and warning, this smells like sewage, like literal sewage. So warning. While I'm waiting, I just mixed up the little dye. So you take a few drops of the solution and a few drops of their, just literally says poison. Enhancement cream, I don't even know. But now you wash or wipe, don't wash, the perming liquid off and put on the fixation one. Now I'm putting the dye on. I'm just gonna put it on the same way and then let it sit there for 10 minutes. This is hot. Alright. I just did it to the other side and cleaned it all off. This is what it looks like. The second time I did it, it worked a little better, but I definitely look like I'm wearing like a little bit of mascara or something. That oil that they have you put on at the end smells disgusting. My camera's dying, but I'm gonna clean all this up and then we're gonna make some lunch. Water all over the carpet. I was trying to say that I just did my nails this like greenish color, but it was nice. Now we're just hanging out. We're gonna order dinner or something, right? Where are you going? He's a little scared of the camera. But I did my nails and we're watching How I Met Your Mother, just hanging out. Do a nose strip and whitening tonight as well, and we're gonna clean up the apartment. And that's the update. Just vacuumed. We're getting Chipotle, so we ordered that. Still watching How I Met Your Mother. And we're doing laundry. I'm going to clean the fridge and all the stainless steel stuff. So I use this stainless steel thing to clean the fridge and the oven and the dishwasher because I hate when it looks all streaky and stuff. I'm gonna take this. I got this from Home Goods. It's the linen spray, cotton balsam. It smells so good. And spray that on the sheets and the couch. I'm watching Emma Chamberlain, but I wanted to show because I got these lights to put in the back of the TV, and I think it's such a vibe. But I kind of wish I had them like everywhere, like in the back of the bed, and you can like make it red, which the Skinny Confidential says that you should only have red lights in your bedroom. So we're like from Home Goods for like $7, but I know Philip Hughes makes like a bunch. I wanted to inch my way into it, but now I feel like I might get a bunch. Also, I got this candle from CB2, but it's so pretty. I wanted to put it by my bed. It's like just glass. I'm gonna take this little sticker off. But they had really good flavors. This one is fig and vanilla. It's pretty intense, honestly. I don't really feel like I need to light it that often because just having it out, you can already like smell it. Also, I got some new skincare things from First Aid Beauty, which is one of my favorite brands. And I got this green tea and sandalwood body scrub. I love their scrubs. I use one on my arms for like those like little bumps, and I'm really excited to try this one. And then this mask, which is ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask. I heard really, really good things about this one, and I love anything vitamin C. So if you guys have ever smelled this Innis I got like a little tester, but my old roommate used to wear this and it makes me think of her, so I like it. But it smells so good. It's kind of like beach salty sea vibes. I really like it.